Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to your Fiverr account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in fiverr.com. Now go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Fiverr account. Now on the screen, you can see options like menu on the top left corner. Tap on the menu, then scroll down. Now tap on account, then find billing and payment. Once you do that, in couple seconds, you're gonna find categories like billing history, billing information, and if you scroll a bit, you're gonna find payment methods. Go ahead, select payment methods, then tap on add payment method. Once you do that, you're gonna have to select PayPal, then tap on PayPal again. Then in couple seconds, you can see a PayPal word will appear again. Tap on it, then it's gonna take you to paypal.com. Go ahead, give your credentials for PayPal account, and you'll successfully add your PayPal account to Fiverr. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.